Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The white balance of a camera raw image is recorded by the camera as metadata when the image is taken. This metadata is read by Photoshop Elements when you open the camera raw image and often results in the correct color temperature for the image. However, you can adjust the white balance for images that display a color cast due to an imbalance in the white balance. There are three ways to adjust the white balance in an image. The easiest way to automatically adjust the white balance is to use the White Balance tool in the Tools bar at the top of the Camera Raw dialog box. To use this tool, click the White Balance tool button to change your mouse pointer into the White Balance tool. Then find a neutral gray area in the image. If a neutral gray is not available, you can also find a white area. However, make sure that the white area selected is not specular white. That means you should try to select a white object versus a source of white that is from light or a reflection of light. After finding the gray or white area, click it with your mouse pointer to automatically correct the image's white balance. You can also attempt to adjust the white balance in an image by clicking the Basic tab in the Settings panel at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box. Then use the White Balance drop-down to select a preset white balance level. The default setting, as shot, shows the white levels using the Camera Raw image's metadata. This is often the same setting that appears when selecting the Auto preset too. If the available presets do not correctly adjust the white balance, you can manually adjust the white balance by using the Temperature and Tint sliders that appear on the Basic tab to adjust the temperature and tint of the image. Note that you can also enter temperature and tint values into the adjacent value fields for each slider if preferred. The temperature slider uses the Kelvin color temperature scale. You can adjust the temperature slider to the left to add more blue to an image that contains too much yellow. You can conversely slide the same slider to the right to add more yellow to an image that has a blue color cast. This corrects the color temperature of the light used when the photo was taken. The Tint slider adjusts the white balance to correct magenta or green color casts in an image. You can move the slider to the left using negative values to add more green to the image. Conversely, sliding the same slider to the right using positive values adds more magenta to the image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.